Good afternoon, all the students present here in the class. So we will be just starting our class, and today it is a very interesting chapter. You all already know this chapter, and in this we will be studying about tables and chart in PowerPoint. Earlier also you all have worked in the PowerPoint, and you all have seen it. I'll be showing you this features again in the PowerPoint, and you will be able to understand. First of all, would you like to tell me why do we make a PowerPoint presentation? We make a PowerPoint presentation because it is a very wonderful way to present anything. For example, if you are not able to see any pictures, any charts, so it doesn't look interesting. To make the things interesting, very good, it is important that you should be using PowerPoint. Okay. Those who are able to hear my voice, please raise your hand in the video. Those who are able to hear my voice, raise your hand in the video. Okay, Angel is able to hear, Khushi is able to hear. Those who are able to hear my voice, raise your hand in the video itself so that I would be knowing it. Okay, so let's come to the next topic, that is inserting a table. I'll show you how to insert a table. See, I'll take a new slide. See, this is a new slide. I have to insert a table. I will click on the insert option. You all can see. First thing is to click on the insert option, then click on table and select the numbers of the columns and rows you want to select. See, this table is coming accordingly. This is the first way to make the table. And the another way is in home layout, there is a title and content tab which I have selected. Title and content tab. In this, see, there is a table option. You all are able to see this table option. You have to just click on this table option. It is asking from me number of rows and columns. I want 7 columns and I want 6 rows. I click on OK. See, my table is here. And I think you all are not able to see it because the color combination is not good. So to change the color combination, you can see there is a design again. And in this design, you can change it. Like you can go for red, green, purple, blue, orange, or you can do whatever you want to. I want to select this. See, now you are able to see it. This design is now visible to you all. Okay. So this is how you create a table. Now your next topic is how to enter the data in the table. See, I'll write here name. I'll write here section. What I have to do, I have to I want to take my mouse pointer to the tab, click here and just write section class subject. And here I'll write the name, whatever I want to. For example, I am saying yes, Tyagi. Okay. Section, subject, whatever I want to write, I can write whatever. So if you want to go down, you can just take your mouse cursor. I think it is clear to you all. Raise your hands if it is clear how to enter data in a table. Okay, Vanshika got it. Khushi, you got it how to enter a table. Okay, Yash has also gone it. Okay, Devant, do you know how to enter a table? And Arish, raise your hand if you are able to understand. Good, beta. And Siddharth, raise your hand if you are able to understand. Okay, Mayank, I can see your hand. Rudraksh, if you are able to understand, raise your hand so that I would be knowing. Rudraksh, Bharadwaj, raise. Okay, good. Divan, raise your hand if you are able to understand or I explain it again. Okay, good. Viraj, raise your hand if you are able to understand. Kavish, I can see your hand. Okay, I can see Shan Salim's hand. Anushka, I can see your hand. Okay, good. So let's move to our next topic. That is table tools. These are only the table tools. Why these are called table tools? These are called table tools because you can change the color of the table. Like I want to select this blue. This is a tool which we are using to go effect. For example, I want this shading to be changed. See, my shading of a particular, I have selected a table. I'll go on shading and see only this particular box shading is being changed because I wanted to highlight it. Okay, see, only one box shading has been changed. I want to change 3 or 4 box shading. This has been changed. See, so this is your table tools. And when you go on layout, there is a layout option. See, I have entered the data, but I want to enter it from some other type. Like I want all the data to come in center. See, my cursor has moved to the center. But if I want to move this is right cursor. This is left cursor. You can change whatever you want to. This is called formatting in a table, changing the background. I hope it is clear to you all. Let's see one by one what are your topics today and what I have explained you. This was inserting a table. I have taught you how to insert a table. You have to go on the layout. You have to select title and content layout. And then you have to click on the table, write the number of rows and number of columns, and then you will be able to insert a table. Then your next topic was entering a data in a table. It is very simple to enter a data in a table. You have to just click on the table where you want to enter the data and start writing. Okay. So let's move to our next slide. That is the table tool. I have showed you earlier only that in this way you can change the table colors. You can change the style in which you want to write in the table. Okay. So again, we have just taken this topic. Now, formatting a table style. Formatting a table style. Let's go for formatting a table style. We have selected this table. You can change all the style. I want to write it in this language. I can change it. This is called formatting a table. So formatting is very easy. Viraj, you are able to understand? Raise your hand if you are able to understand. Okay, I got it, Viraj. Mayank, you are able to understand? Very good, Rudraj. If anybody, it is not clear, I'll unmute you, and at that time you all can tell me that which topic is not clear to you. Okay, so let's go for text alignment. See, all the text which I have written in this, is in left alignment. You all have studied left alignment. You have to go on home tab, and after that, it is an option you can select it. See, I have selected it. Now all the paragraph alignments are there. This is a left alignment, and after that I have to go for center alignment. See, my alignment is changed. If I go for right alignment, see, my alignment is more changed. This is justified all equal, and this is my left. So I can change the alignment. Now let's go for chart. I'll tell you how to enter a chart. Let's go for a new slide and we'll enter. Just here you have an option insert chart. See, you are having an option insert chart. You have to click on this chart. You have to decide which type of chart you want to select. I want to select this chart. I will click on OK. See, my screen is divided into 2 parts. Why my screen is divided into 2 parts? For example, the chart will be drawn according to the things which I have given. For example, in category 1, I'll write name. I have to compare all your marks, so I'll write math. Then here I'll write English. Here I'll write Hindi. And I don't want this, so I'll delete it. I don't want it. See, my whole table is deleted. Now I'll write past student. This is fail student and this is absent. I can write it here. Total 10 students were there. 7 are passed, 2 are fail and 1 was absent. See, my table is changing. Okay. Now I'll write again there were 10. 8 are passed, nobody is fail and 2 were absent. In Hindi, 10 are fail, 0 and 0. And I'll click on done. Then see, this is my chart. You all can draw the chart. Now raise your hands. How many all you can draw the chart? How many of you can draw the chart? Okay, Viraj, you can draw the chart or not? Good. Akshat, Kavish can draw it. Rudraksh, you cannot draw it? Okay, I'll tell you once again. Wait. Okay, Vivan can draw it. Mayank can draw it. Kushi can draw it. Aris, you can draw the chart. Aris, if you can draw the chart, raise your hand. Okay. Manome, you can draw the chart or not? Devansh can draw it. Yes, you can draw it. Okay, good, great. So only one student was there. I'll tell you how to draw a chart once again. Okay. Wait a page for a second. I'll tell you. See, you have to go on. I'll take one more slide. You have to click on insert chart. After that, you have to select the chart type which you want to make. Just click on that chart type. Click on OK. See, done. These are the new type of charts. Now you can write again. I'll change the subject. I'll write here Hindi. I'll write here math or whatever you want to. And you have to just click and your chart would be done. Now it is clear to you.